Yeah, he shot first and we get back. Shoot up the party, we fuck up the kickback. I have my niggas pull up where you live at, and my niggas purging. We hop out Suburbans like Kyrie Irving. By the way, I'm a spin back. I feel like a waiter, these bullets I'm serving. I pull that bitch out, then I aim at your six pack. Serving these bullets, I heard it was Christmas. We decorate your block with bullets. I put on my mask and I put on my hoodie. I pray to God that nobody got the footage. I'm pulling up slow and I roll down the window. I'll catch me a op, I'm not afraid to pull it. And we giving them shots like a camera, just like a picture. You know that boy Young Chris took it. Yeah, Young Chris took it. If you scared, get a dog, nigga, shoot him in his leg. Then I told him shake it off, nigga. Do that nigga